Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off screen lock unlocking sound in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. While locking your screen using this side key, there will be small sound. Listen here. Use headphones to hear precise sound. While unlocking also there will be small sound. If you would like to turn off this screen lock unlocking sound, as you can do it. What to do is just go to the notification area and find the settings icon there and just click on it, and now click on sounds and vibration and just here select system sound and you will find here screen lock unlock option. Just to turn off this button so that you will not get any sound while locking and unlocking your phone. Now I try it. I lock my phone, there is no sound. I unlock my phone, there is no sound. So in this way you can easily turn off screen lock unlocking sound in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.